Hey guys, how's it going? Today I am getting annoyed with the flies already. We've only just started. I am going to take you along with me as I just potter around the garden. I'm a bit of a butterfly. I flitter about, so today we'll be flittering about. My plan, though, it's sort of a plan, is I've got all of these Sweet William that I need to go through and deadhead. They are gorgeous, but just didn't get to pick them in time, especially the red ones, these scarlet ones. So like here, that one's too far gone. That one's probably a bit too far gone. But then I did deadhead some of this section and they look pretty cool. And then I need to go through the Rose Magic as well. Look at the stem length on this. That's insane. I don't know how tall that is, but they're definitely, so that's the Amazon Rose Magic and the Sweet series. So the Rose Magic is really cool. So today, that's what my plan is to do right now. It's not terribly hot out here, but it's humid. We've had 9 millimeters of rain last night or yesterday. So everything is sticky, including the flies. Somewhere I have my highly fashionable, did I drop it? Oh no, I think I've dropped it. I'm gonna have to hunt for that. My highly fashionable fly net. Ugh, I've dropped it somewhere. Well, I'm going to find that. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back with my fly net on. Fell out inside the house. I haven't even made it outside yet. So I will be flyless for a few minutes, and yeah, I'll start chopping down these gorgeous Sweet Williams. Okay, so I've gone through and deadheaded the rest of the coral Sweet William. You can see all the carnage here. And left the ones that I can still use or I think are still okay. So there's all the pink. That one's a bit overwhelming because at least over here on the coral there was some gaps where some didn't come up. But yeah, there's a lot of pink there. But I'll get onto that. But for now, I'm going to go in and have some lunch. That took me about 45 minutes. So I'm going to go and eat and hopefully we get some cloud cover, but I doubt it. It doesn't look like we'll be getting cloud cover. So anyway, I'll be back soon. Hey guys, it's a couple of days later and I've just been through and picked some more to sell. So it looks a lot cleaner through here now. And the ones that have left, well, I mean, I've just been through and picked them. So they've started or continued to bloom. And I didn't get to the red and the pink just yet. Over here we've got the Amazon Pink Magic. I've been through and picked a couple of times since I last videoed. Some of them need to be deadheaded. That one's a bit yuck. But just a second ago, I picked from this section here. So I'm not sure how many plants that would be. But just that section there, oh, my stomach's rumbling. Just this section here, and I got 100 stems. So I feel like there's a lot here to cut. So it's supposed to rain for the next couple of days. I'm not sure if I'll get back to pick them, but hopefully I'll be able to come through in the morning and grab some more because I'm loving them. I've been putting them into bouquets on their own, just a straight bouquet, and then putting them into a jar and selling them at my road stand. So I'll probably pop a photo in of them. I thought they were cute. And hopefully I might be able to get some sales at the florist tomorrow. And that is it for this video. So I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.